Made a flan yesterday for the kids. I'm 100% sure it didn't came out good. Check it out. The main reason I think is that yours baby. The main reason I think I didn't boil it enough, so I didn't get the texture. But I know it had a taste good. It had this. First time I'm making flan, guys. I just saw a TikTok video and check it out. I just think it could be a little more firm. I find it a little more jiggly, but you never know. And
Yeah.
so first thing you gotta do is just pass this around. A little bit around. I don't know. Oh my god, what I'm doing? I think this looks so easy on TikTok, eh? And it's actually not that easy in real. You know that? It's so what? Gustin?
Disgusting.
Gustin? Where's Gustin, baby?
Disgusting.
Looking one? You don't want to taste it then. It's up to you. Guys, kids, I want to just give my honest opinion. Just say if it's okay, it's alright, it's horrible, don't lie, right? Just give me the honest opinion, okay? Right? Okay. Sorry, I didn't have a lot of paper there.
It's not because
Right, I'm not.
it's like
So
you
this
like it.
is the real difficult part. This is somebody plate here. I gotta get a flip.
I gonna laugh at all this so hard.
I'll move.
If you make it,
I need to be free. I'll say on the counter what? Just count on to 5 or something. I don't know.
100, 99, 98.
Oh God, count to 10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm frightened.
Enough.
I just do a quick flip, you know. Okay. I never flipped before. Are you ready? 1. I feel gonna mash up. All you say gonna mash up, or all you say coming out good?
Mash up.
What you say? Mash up? What you say? Sorry, what you say? Come on, good. Vina, what you say? Anything. What do I mean? Vina, what you say?
In the middle of mash up and normal.
Like some.
Be quiet, be quiet. I don't concentrate. I'll do this real fast.
What was that?
That was
Don't mash up the plate.
Shh.
He's gonna cut it there. Daddy, look at you.
And you find out what it is.
Be quiet. I don't know if it come out soon. I don't know. Leah, my wife real bad talk man, tell me I do everything wrong. I don't know. She tell me the caramel looking too light. I find the caramel look good. We go see. I don't know if it come out. Did it come out?
Yeah, I think you can.
It actually.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wait, let me not think.
It actually.
It actually come out really good.
Good.
Guys, check it out. And then the caramel on top. Oh my god, I need to slice a slice. I think I could use more ingredients next time so it come out a little thicker.
Yeah.
Oh my god, check it out.
Mama.
I'm a none for you, eh? You say you don't want none. Check out the caramel. If you not find the caramel, look perfect.
And it smells good. That's all.
I surprised myself. Can I have my spoon there? I just want to show the people. First time I'm making flan. Oh, what if it come out good? It's so, I put real caramel. My god, check it out. Ooh. It have like so much caramel. Guys, dig in. Oh, I realize the caramel leaking to one side. Kids, dig in. Dig in, and I come dig in. Just take whatever they want. My god. Check it out. Yeah. Now you come. Now you come to say
And it's trim it down.
this baby.
I want
Ice cream.
Oh my god.
The
It's good. Yeah, man, like ice cream.
I want them too.
Taste it, baby. Taste all of this.
I'm just tiny.
Come baby, I like the piece. Yeah. Tell me like it. It's like ice cream.
I'm just tiny.
Guys, I surprised myself. Vinay, what do you think?
That's good.
I surprised myself. Mm. Come on.
I got some.
I'm afraid to taste it. Try for the caramel, Vinay. I'm for the caramel.
Stream.
It's really nice, guys. I'm shocked. I'm shocked it actually come out the tin. You could have really looked a little more cooking on the bottom, but when I taste itself, I think I put a little too much caramel. It's a real caramel. Real caramel.
It is soup.
This is the ultimate bite. You know why you do the ultimate bite? Eh? Check out the ultimate bite. Don't bring it closer, guys. If you're hungry, guys, you're hungry now. Real nice. Over nice. First thought about flan, guys. I don't know. I think I made the syrup a little too thick. It wasn't running right around the bowl as I wanted to, but we see how the end product looks. Time for step 2. Step 3, guys. 6 egg yolks, 1 tin of carnation milk, 1 tin of condensed milk, teaspoon of vanilla essence, a squeeze of lime and a pinch of salt. I don't know. And we'll have to strain this after. Looking nice. Ice is up. Don't overturn. They say you don't want bubbles in it, so just gently swirl. If it's any little lumps, or you gotta strain this so you got any of those little particles. Very nice. Caramel look nice. So you get rid of any bubbles, any lumps, anything. You want it as smooth as possible. They're looking nice.
Yeah.
Hope it come out good.
Because it's my real good.
I didn't hear.
On top.
So check it out, guys. That's it there. Time to put it to boil for 1 hour on low heat. So excited. So yes, guys, I have it on low heat for like 45 minutes. And time for the toothpick test. I'm not sure if it's ready, but when you stick the toothpick, it stops having nothing on the toothpick. It's not ready. It's still soggy. So we'll leave it in for a little bit.